guys. I'm gonna pull up the stream so I can watch chat. 1 second. All right. Let's see what's going on. I gotta log in. My wallpaper. I'll log in on this one. Let's see. So in this one, I've accidentally closed my tab that I normally use. Why is there no ESH 2025? Oh, that's EQ. ESH 2025. All right, there we go. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna check the higher time frame. Let's start with the 4-hour actually. Four hours looking bullish. We inverse this on the 4-hour. And we swept this liquidity. So I'm looking for us to take out this liquidity. Actually, I don't want that to be that one. Let me use this one. Higher time frame. Looking for us to take out that. And ES has a 4-hour SMT here. So that could be bearish. I want to add the equal high and equal low indicator here. Okay, so we do have some equal lows here. And we have a bearish SMT on the higher time frame. We check the 1-hour. Yep, same thing on the 1-hour. Obviously, we have SMT on the 1-hour. And on the 15-minute, seems like we could be rejecting this 15-minute fair value gap on both. So not really much of a good bias here, but don't really know what the draw on liquidity is. 4 hour looks bullish, but at the same time we have an SMT, and then 15-minute looks kind of bullish reaction off of this fair value gap. Though we do have a short setup here that we could possibly get. 2-minute, we have a 3-minute. Possible 5-minute, but I don't want to take a 5-minute. All right. So no 5-minute, possibly a 3-minute short here. The SMT on the 4 hour is still there. SMT, that's a big SMT. So the only problem is on this 15-minute, we could be delivering from this fair value gap here. This setup doesn't look the best anyways, so I don't really care if we get it or not. Let's see. I just like those equal lows below. If we take out these, we could get a better setup. You see, we could get some maybe delivery from this on the 15-minute. I want to keep that bearish SMT so we can use that to get a short setup to these equal lows that we have. All right, we took out that liquidity there. Let me draw this 15-minute on ES as well. We took out those equal highs. Possible 1-minute here. I would probably just target down to here for full TP. Let me see, I'll switch these. pull up the 1 minute on ES. They don't, not gonna lie, they do not look correlated at all on the 1 minute. Oh, that's ESH 2024. That's why it doesn't look correlated at all. All right, there we go. Now it looks correlated. That looks better. I had ESH 2024. That one's, we're not even using that one anymore. What's up, Chris? Chris, join the Discord. Oh, you're right there. You're muted.
Yeah, I'm here.
All right. I just have my stream to where you can't hear my thing. We'll be able to hear it a little bit. Talk. Say something. Chris. Dang, you can hear it. Why is my mic so sensitive? Came through my headphones. What's up, Eric? I don't think so. Oh, you can hear it a little bit. You can hear it a little bit in the background. That's it. You hear it through my headphones. Bro, I can't wait till I get my headphones. They're supposed to be here today. Yeah. Maybe this 30-second here. How big is this 30-second? Doesn't seem horrible. For this, I'll just be looking for 2R. These equal those below. You don't have the indicator on there. Oh my gosh. All right. No, I'm not really that mad that we're going through this 1 minute because we have this big fair value gap up here that we could get delivery off of for these equal lows. Now, I do want to check. Do want to check higher time frame here. We are coming back into this 15-minute bearish fair value gap. So we could be looking for some delivery here because we still do have that SMT as well on the 4-hour. And we also have it on the 15-minute because that's how it shows up. But we do have that that bearish SMT still. So if we get that and some delivery, if we get that and delivery off this 15-minute, that'll be a good sign. We could get some short setups. So I do like this here. It's a 1 minute, right? And this is the 30-second. It's the one I want to look at. All right, entry was way too low for that 30-second, so I'm gonna look at this 1 minute next. Let's see. Have that set up. Break even will be here, as well as partials. The partials I'll put at like 1 hour, so I'll draw that out and let's see. All right, that is a horrible fill, but I'm gonna move that up because it's not a hard stop loss. 1R is about here. Full TP at this liquidity. Break even right here. For 1 minute. Hopefully it rejects it. I gotta move this up because again, I don't use a hard stop. Should reject this, hopefully, and continue down. I don't like how bad it filled our order though. I'm not gonna lie, that is a horrible fill. Because my entry was like right here, but it filled it up here. So we did take this newly created sell side. It's internal. Though I don't want to move my stop to break even too early because that's just like 1 tick. So I'm gonna be patient and wait for it to go down to here. All right. I'm not moving mine to break even yet. I'm waiting. All right, let's stop to break even right there. in partials, so I'm moving my break even to one contract. I'm gonna put this 1 point above break even, so it's right there. That was some pretty hefty drawdown, bro. I want us to continue down because of these equal lows. Actually, I'm gonna target these equal lows. I'm gonna be an RR trader today. I'm gonna look for these equal lows, bro. We inverse that next 1 minute, so that's a good sign. This is eval Bailey. Yeah. What's up, Ken? Yeah. We inverse the 2 minute as well, and the 3 minute, and the really small 5 minute. Or no, we did not inverse the 5 minute yet. The 5 minute hasn't closed. There's a really small fair value gap. Don't really think it's gonna come up to that. Yeah. What are you talking about? On the left. Hey, bro. Whatever. We do have this, yeah. Yeah. YouTube. Yeah. I have this new low here. Yeah. I'm in a short. Not really what I want to see here. Want us to just react off of this, especially because we inverse the 1 minute and the 3 minute there. So don't really want us to go up here in this fair value gap. Break even. Partial. Data low, they're equal lows. I don't know what 130. Oh, 8:30. We have news today? No, we did have news, you're right. This is a data low. I was targeting the equal lows below them. Yeah, I'll target these data lows actually. I did not know they were data lows. Though I do like these equal lows. They're equal lows on the 1 minute. They're not equal lows on the 2 minute or anything. So yeah, I'll just target these data lows. And I'll use those equal lows as bias, so as a bearish bias. We also have a 4-hour SMT, a 15-minute SMT. Let me check. Do we have any SMTs on the lower time frame going against us here? That's not an SMT. Delivered off of this as well. Inverse this as well. No SMTs here. All right. No, because I'm not doing that. Now this could be a bad sign here if we inverse this 1 minute. I'm not saying for a long. I just don't want it to inverse that. That looks good if we close like this or more down. All right, there we go. Now we just gotta hit these data lows here. We have equal lows on ES. No, because there's a lot of fees. Because you have to use more. There we go. We don't have any more news today, right? Oh, we have 9:45. But if this hits, I should be done before then. That looks good. There we go. All almost down to the equal lows. All right. All right, I'm done there. Done for the day. All the way down to those equal lows. That's crazy. I could have targeted that, but I'm not doing that. I could have, but those data lows just were closer and looked so good. That was good. All right. Did the whole stream catch that? Just caught this beautiful trade all the way down to these data lows. Could have targeted these equal lows for a better risk reward if you wanted to. My stream just caught that, as well as the people in my Discord. So make sure you guys go join up in the streams, and I'll see you guys later. All right, I had to get that. I had to get that for TikTok. Sorry, Bailey. How did I not get? How did I not get stopped? I don't use a hard stop. My stop loss is not a hard stop. Um, I close whenever the candle closes above the fair value gap, above this one, the inverse. Five or bro, 5 or 600 is 500 is 1R because I wasn't showing it on the stream. I'll show you after. I'll show you after. But um I use so a hard stop is when you get instantly stopped there, and then the stop loss that I use is not a hard stop. It's basically if this candle would have closed above the fair value gap, then I would have closed my trade for a loss. If it closes above this inverse fair value gap here. Bro, they cannot hear you. Yeah, like my friend Ken said, if we inverse the inverse. Could have targeted those equal lows, but no, those data lows I felt like I'm not gonna lie, like I wanted to target the equal lows, but having the data lows there just made it like I didn't know if I wanted to, you know. It just looked a little perfect. Oh man, I have a chat box there. I forgot I have a chat box there. Let me delete that. All right. First day of the year. First day of the year. Bro, it's literally first day of the year. Nobody's bro. New Year's Day is a bank holiday. Nobody's trading that. All right. So now I'm done for the day. I'm not trading after that. Especially because of that back testing we did last night. How like the beginning of the year is normally is like it's not that it's like bad price action. It's just really slow. Bro, then I started looking at pre-market, and pre-market actually has like so many good trades. All right, so I'm gonna end my stream, guys. Thank you guys for joining up. I hope you guys caught this trade with us. 2.6R, or if I would have still targeted this, it would have been 4R, but I stuck to the data low, so that was 2.6R. Thank you guys for joining up. We had like 20 viewers at one point in here. I think that was my max viewers. What do we have? My my peak viewers, I don't know what it was. It's not showing. Whatever. But thank you guys for joining up. I'll see you guys later.